Greetings colleagues. Today, a few words about how realistic it is to launch a YouTube channel on full autopilot. Such a request periodically came across in one form or another on freelance websites. In this video, we are not analyzing tools for merging video clips using server-side programs or scripts. Overdubbing of voice or music is also not being investigated. But if you have a request for this part, then be sure to write in the comments, and I will check how I can help in this direction. So, I have several thousand video clips with short movie trailers in my hands. All of them need to be added to the YouTube channel. The channel is also newly created. Link to channel in the description. Our actions. We get the client_secret and client_ID so that we can use the YouTube data API requests. We make a simple authorization script with saving information to the database and with the possibility of subsequent updating of token keys. By trial and error, we find what the request should be to correctly send the video to YouTube. And when a victory is almost close, we get the error, processing abandoned. The video could not be processed. It took a time to understand that the error was not related to copyright, but still, it was blocking YouTube in its processes. Back to the documentation. I said before that I don't like reading all the documentation. Therefore, it was missed that for automatic addition you need to go through some kind of audit. Well, let's try. I filled out the form. After a short clarification on which account the audit should be, a question came to which I could not come up with a constructive answer. The information that was provided as an answer did not suit them. And I gave up. Without a concept of how the YouTube channel will be used, you most likely will not be able to pass the audit. Also, at this point, during the experiments, an essential point was discovered that may be useful to you. In total, 10,000 points are issued per day, which can be spent on various API queries. That is, at best, no more than 6 videos can be uploaded via the API. We can ask for an increase in the limits, but we still face the same audit where I am already failed. To complete the task at least in some form, it was decided to try to fill in the videos manually, and then edit them by filling them with descriptions and names. An attentive viewer probably saw where the parsing was from. Be the first to write your answer in the comments and get a book as a gift. You will find what kind of book it will be in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel before replying. Filling the first days, YouTube did not miss more than 10 to 15 files to add. Then, making sure that I was not a spammer, YouTube removed this blocking. I even managed to upload 60 videos for the trial. I do not see any reasons or any cases for adding more quantities of files daily. But this is just for information. After uploading the videos, another script was made that identified the video with the description in the database and simply updated this information on the YouTube channel. For this purpose, in the interface, it was necessary to do one additional step of moving videos to a separate category, which is only checked to find newly added videos. Whether I am satisfied with the result? No. But even this result can be useful for marketing in some types of businesses. As you already know, I am always open to your questions.